Area of torrential rain will impact portions of southeastern Plymouth and southeastern Bristol counties through 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking an area of torrential rain associated with a thunderstorm over Fairhaven, or near New Bedford, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazards include minor flooding, minor nuisance flooding of typically flood-prone areas. Locations impacted include New Bedford, Dartmouth, Marion, Middleborough, Wareham, Fairhaven, Carver, Acushnet, Mattapoisett, and Rochester. Do not drive through flooded roads or underpasses. Avoid low-lying areas near small streams.